Today we're going to be having a look at something different. We're looking at this Illuminated Merry Christmas sign. So it's not just any old sign, it's actually from a main brand. Where is it? It's from Premier, one of the UK's pretty much last manufacturers of lights who are still going. 6-volt bulbs would denote it's a set of 40 inside. These labels are dead handy if you need replacement bulbs as well. They also give you the catalogue number that you need. These bulbs, I think, have 2-pronged feet on them. We'll have a look in a minute. 36 watts. This day and age, you can't even afford to run it. Presumably that 2001 could possibly be the date, and it was produced on the 7th of January, possibly. This looks like it's the original. Yeah, this is the original plug. This is actually a Premier branded plug. A lot of sets of lights way back when didn't actually come with plugs on them. Oh yeah, there you go. An actual Premier plug. Now it says on the label 3 amp fuse should be used. So quite possibly got a 3 amp fuse in that. Cable is not braided. It's a modern set of lights, hence the thick cable, but because it's white it doesn't actually look that thick. Right, a little bit big for the camera aperture, but let's get them lit up. Yeah, there you go, it works. The colours are very faded and washed out. This was obviously used a lot for many years. I got this for free. I got this from doing a tip run. Went to the local tip to get rid of a load of cardboard and odds and ends, and at my local tip they've got a set of tables by the hook where the assistant is if you need a hand. It's a table for putting on things that still work, that seemingly are a waste to throw away, and it may be of some use to someone. I've seen Christmas trees before, but I've never seen anything like this, and I picked it up and I grabbed it and I thought, it's free. It was only a couple of years ago, it was 2021 I got it, and came home and it actually worked straight away. I think I needed to replace one bulb, which would be this red one here, which is why it's a lot more red than the others. It's a bit tacky, maybe, a bit 90s, but it's not too bad. It's got a nice warm glow to it. Let me see, yeah, this way. It's 2-piece plastic construction. This pulls off so you can get to the bulbs. Seems pretty violent. There you go. Your lights are just very closely placed together. It's a bespoke set of lights for this, I would assume. The light set goes in a circle, like a lot of the... oh, there we go, we've got a bit of exposed cable there. That's all split open, that's obviously been caught in the case at some point. I'm going to turn this off so I don't zap myself and unplug it. Alright, so this will be a bespoke set of lights specifically for these, well, they're silhouette lights, aren't they? They used to be called Silhouette. There was a company called Ross who used to make a lot of silhouette lights. I've got a couple of them which I'll do a video on eventually, I suppose, if you're interested. Go on, get back in there. I've taken it apart now, so that's it. I'm knackered. There you go. You go back in there. You go back in there. Alright, let's not take this apart again. I've really caused something now, haven't I, by opening it up? Oh dear. Right. Stay. Good, good, stay, stay. At least it's handy that it's all one colour and you know where the fuse bulb is right at the end. It's literally the last bulb on the end, and I would assume that this has been wired, so this cable here, which goes straight to the fuse bulb, will be the live cable on the plug as well, so you get the fuse bulb first in line. But yeah, that's how it's placed together. You've got these smaller pins, these lower down pins to hold all the cables and bulbs in place, and you've got these taller ones which engage the there's like little hollow connector points on the other side. So again, little interesting set of lights, a silhouette, Merry Christmas silhouette. I'm wondering whether I should maybe try and do something with it. Again, it'll be a nice little bit of content, extra content for the channel. Maybe do it in two colours, maybe have a green or a red, just green and red bulbs in the top bit, on the bottom bit, maybe green and red to separate the Merry and the Christmas so you can see it more. There are separate bulbs in the hollies as well, which you could always do as green. So I mean, there might be an option to maybe do all red, maybe blue or yellow and green in the hollies, just to make it stand out a bit more, because it's a little bit, it's a bit washed out. I mean, I'm not sure if you could actually tell what it is unless you got up close, but it's something different. It's interesting. I mean, I might get it out one year and display it, but it needs a little bit of care. It needs a little bit of love to bring the colours back, because they're very, very faded. I mean, it's 22 years old now, but yeah, just thought to share this one with you. You got anything like this? Do you have any other little silhouettes yourself? Should I get the other silhouettes that I own out and do a little video on them? And just do we, resto it and do something different with the colours and try and make it pop a bit more? Let us know in the comments below, and I'll catch you on the next one.